creep. It's a little hot. I don't know why I wore this long sleeve. To be honest, I don't know. Welcome back to another video. So today, I know I've been MIA, but it's school. School kept me a lot busy and some modeling stuff, but mostly school. So that's why I haven't been posting a lot more. So I'm just like letting y'all guys know because it's mostly school. Because I'm taking online, but now I'm not taking online no more. I actually go to the school on Monday. So yes, more videos are coming, and hopefully I'll post more like I wanted to. It's how to start a YouTube channel. I get a lot of questions from people that I know and people I don't know, like how you start. So I'm just gonna speak out the tea and whatever, and let's get on to the video. Number one, you need to start planning a name. You need to have a name that's like different, or you could just use your normal name. Don't use the same name that as like one of those popular YouTubers. Do not use that exact name, because you're not gonna get that name anytime soon, and that big name is too popular, so don't use that name. Yes, come up with a name, come up with a channel, and come up with all the video plans that you need for your YouTube channel. If you want to plan on doing like a makeup tutorial channel, gaming channel, hair tutorial, all the different stuff, you like need to plan what's your channel gonna be about. Make a channel that you are comfortable with and that you know how to do it. If you don't know how to do it, not a lot of people gonna really watch you, and they're gonna like say like, oh, she don't know how to do this, she don't know how to do that, and you don't want that. So make sure you're very comfortable of what you're doing. You gotta know what you're talking about, what you good at, what your talent. If you want to make a channel that's about everything, you can. That's what my channel is. It's about everything. It's not just one thing. It's just about, I want to make like all different types of videos besides one thing, because I want a lot of people to see me do different things. We said just makeup, just that. Yeah, just makeup and everything. No shade or nothing. Yeah, it's just makeup. It's good because you got like people who loves doing makeup. They want to see people who do makeup. They don't care if you do like a prank or something, but as long as you do makeup, you're good. So yeah. Number two, cameras. If you have a camera, good for you, because I don't. Cameras are expensive. They're not cheap. I wish they were cheap and affordable, but it's not cheap. I repeat, it's not cheap. But if you're a fresh start YouTuber and you have an iPhone or an iPod or iPad, something that shows very good quality of you, like how I am right now, that shows me good quality video, record it. You don't have to get a camera for YouTube unless you want to go to this, if you want to step up to the next level, unless you already have one. But if you don't have one, don't waste your money. Only just save up your money, then get a camera. But only get a camera if you're really serious about doing YouTube. Other than that, don't get a camera. How I edit my videos on iMovie. I do know how to use Final Cut, but I don't got Final Cut on my computer, so I won't able to do nothing like that. But if you do have Final Cut, good for you. If you do know how to use it, make sure you know how to use Final Cut Pro. If you don't, actually watch some videos how to do Final Cut Pro, because there's a lot of stuff you're gonna be hella lost. Because when I first started doing Final Cut, I was so lost. So make sure you know what you're doing on Final Cut before you post your video out to the world and it looks like complete shit. Just so you know. But Final Cut Pro, it costs money too. It costs $100, $500, $800 some dollars just to edit some videos. Not cheap. But iMovie, so you got iMovie and Final Cut. iMovie is free. They don't got a lot of things you need. Well, they got the basic stuff, but crazy effects, all crazy effects you be seeing a lot of people have, they don't have it on iMovie. but it's a good start to do iMovie for a fresh YouTube. This is quick and easy to do iMovie. It's not hard. It's like literally, it's really not that hard. It's just very basic little baby steps. If you don't know how to use iMovie, then something's wrong with you. But Final Cut Pro, they got all the things you need, all the crazy effects, the good quality, all that stuff. It's good. They got all that on Final Cut Pro, but you have to pay and you gotta know how to use it. Another thing on editing is your thumbnail. Your thumbnail has to look decent. If it doesn't look decent, nobody's gonna click on it. I don't care, it's like black screen and a blurry picture. Nobody's gonna click it. I promise you that nobody's gonna click it, and you will not click it. You know you won't click on that video because it's not like a bright, pretty, dope thumbnail that you want to see. So don't have that on your thumbnail. If you want people to click on your videos, make a decent, good thumbnail. And it's not that hard. I use PicMonkey and this other app. I forgot. It's called Fronto. It's something like that. But I'll put in the description box of what things that I use to edit my thumbnails and all that stuff. So yeah, it's very quick. It's free. It's not, unless you want to upgrade it, you have to pay. But I don't upgrade it. I just use the basic ones and just make it look cool. That's why I use different apps. I use like 3 apps to make my thumbnail. If I want like a simple one, I just use one. If I want like a cool one, I use all 2 or 3 different apps, and they're all free. So got you a thumbnail app so you can edit it. Number 3, do your research. That's what you're here for, to do your research of like how to start, how everything is gonna go, how you gonna, all that shit. You gotta do your research to order for you to move on to the next step. So that's what I did. I did my research by myself. Nobody helped me when I first started doing YouTube. I ain't got no help. I ain't had no help. I did the research by myself. And no one told me to do YouTube. I did YouTube because I wanted to do YouTube, not for the money, because I like editing videos and I want to show people what else can I do, you know, just like something different, making fun videos, all that stuff, like all that stuff. Number 4 is sub for sub. Do not do sub for sub. Like, it's okay to do sub for sub, but I don't do it because if you're not gonna sub back, don't do sub for sub. Yeah, just don't do sub for sub. It's annoying. Just don't do it. Number 5 is copyright. If you use original create by TLC, you want to use their song on your videos. But once you post your video, it says copyright and mutes your video. You don't want to have your video mute, because once your video is mute, you gotta take it down. You have to go back to your app, edit the video, switch the songs out so it can actually don't say copyright. You gotta save the video, then you gotta upload the video. You gotta wait for the video to upload. Then boom, it's posted, and now you're waiting for some views for your video. You don't want that. So it's very to make sure you don't use original music on your videos. You can use remix, covers. If you want to use remix songs, make sure you ask permission of the owner who made the remix or the cover songs. Make sure you ask them permission to use their songs so you can give them a shout out on the description box and say this song is blah 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 blah. So you don't want to take all their credit just for your video, and people won't think that you made the video, all that stuff. You don't want that. So I'll be using that same music on my videos. That's why I don't want to switch it up so much, because I don't want my videos to take down. So that's why I'll be using the same videos. I know it's so annoying, but I want to switch it up. But certain songs I can use, But yeah. Number 6 is to promote your channel. If you don't promote your channel, you're not gonna get nowhere. Maybe you will, but nah, you won't. It's important for you to promote your channel. Promote on your social media, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, whatever other social media you got. Promote your channel. It'll give you more views, more subscribers, and a lot of people will notice you now because you do YouTube videos. And I won't say all people, but some people, mostly like people you barely know or don't talk to, they're gonna repost your picture. They're gonna repost your channel. They're gonna post on their page or their Snapchat story and say, hey, check out so-and-so channel. You get more and more and more and more and more. So yeah, so make sure you promote your channel. If you really want to get up there, promote your channel. That's all I'm gonna say. Number 7, if you want your videos to get like high views, do like the popular videos, like going to the worst restaurant in my city review or public interviews. Do it if you actually want to do it. Don't force yourself. Don't force yourself to do it. But I ain't gonna lie, like some popular videos gonna like help you go up there. Little advice for y'all, like if you watch like a lot of those same videos about that same topic, do it. If you want to, if you feel comfortable to do it, do it. Because it's gonna help you build up more and more and more. It ain't gonna give you a lot of subscribers, it just depends how you do on your video, but it's gonna help you build up more. Number 8 is stay posting your videos. I know I haven't been posting my videos. I know. I'm trying to. Stay posting your videos. It would be a good thing if you post your videos like Mondays and Tuesday you post your videos, or Tuesdays you post your videos, and that makes a lot of people gonna remember your days of when you gonna drop your video. They're gonna like, okay, Mondays he gonna drop his video, and they're gonna be ready to Monday to see your next video. So it's better to like have a date of when you're gonna drop your video. Yeah, it's okay if you just drop your video out of nowhere. You don't have like, but make sure you let the people know that you about to have a video coming out. That's what I do sometimes. Sometimes I did, and I just never dropped it. But I have a reason not to drop it because my hair was done, and I look like I just didn't look right. That's why I didn't post nobody. That's why I didn't post no videos. I look a hot mess. Plus, I was busy. I was dealing with school too, so yeah. Number 9 is you can collab with people. It's very, very fun if you collab with people. That's mean like you have 10 times more fun if you do it with your sibling, your friends, or another YouTuber, and y'all both just collab and boom. It's like, it makes the video more watchable and more fun. So if you want to collab with somebody, don't use them. Do not use them. Like, actually be friends with them, be cool with them, and boom, y'all friends and y'all just want to make a video. Like, actually like collab with somebody who will like do for YouTube. If they don't want to, do not force them. Do not force them to be in your video. If they don't want to be in your video, then oh well, just do it by yourself or find somebody else. Do not force nobody. Next is number 10. I said this almost all of my videos. I'm not gonna lie, I say this to every one of my videos. It's to be your damn self. Just be yourself. Like Zoe said, if you don't be yourself, nobody else will. Quote from I Am Zoe. If you don't know who I Am Zoe is, we cannot be friends. Like, period. We cannot be friends. Like, you should already know who fucking it is. So yeah, if you don't be, because a lot of people, your fans gonna know if you're not being yourself. People gonna know if you're being fake or you're being real. They actually want to see a real person doing real things instead of a person who's not even being themselves, and they're gonna get less views. You don't want that. So actually do you. Just be you. That's not hard. Just be you. That's just what YouTube for. It's just to be you. Just don't be fake for somebody who think if I be like them, they're gonna watch me more. If they don't watch you for who you are, oh well, just keep doing you. Just keep pushing yourself. Keep doing you. If they ain't gonna watch you just because they don't like who you are, don't mean you have to change yourself. I don't even change myself. Like, hell, I'll be like, okay, fuck y'all then. I'm just gonna still doing me. Be yourself. Just be yourself. Be yourself. Just be yourself. Damn it. Alright, y'all got a bonus. Make sure it's the video you actually want to upload. Don't upload unnecessary video, inappropriate video, something it's going, some stupid shit like you wouldn't do. And don't post something that's gonna mess up your career. I'm just saying. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm glad to be back. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and comment down below. Comment down below what else you want to see, and make sure you subscribe to my vlog channel. You better subscribe to my vlog channel. Okay? Subscribe to my vlog channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my videos, because I'm doing more vlogs now. I'm starting to get more into vlogs. Make sure you follow my social medias, my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Alright.